Hello and welcome to Autodesk Fusion 360 tutorials. Today we will see the interface of Autodesk Fusion 360. Autodesk Fusion 360 is fully cloud-based computing software. This consists of three interfaces: CAD, CAM and CE. All are connected in a design space, render space, animation, simulation, manufacturing and drawing. And other at the right side of that interface, that UCS icon is provided, and in that UCS icon, by clicking on that plain name on the top right or a front, we can select a preview of an part created over here. At the top of a At the top of the main screen, the command bar is provided over here. In that, create, sketch, extrude, revolve and many more other are provided, which we are going to see in our next tutorials one by one. And in the bottom of the Fusion 360 interface, the timeline bar is given. In that, we can see the parts, we can see the commands which are used in creating a part. And at the top, above the timeline bar, uh, pan, orbit, zoom in, zoom out are given for changing a preview of a part. And the data panel is also given. In data panel, some parts are given by Autodesk and some and other we are going to save in a data panel which is fully cloud. If internet is not connected for the some time, the Autodesk Fusion 360 is going to run, but after that internet should be connected, and at the time all the parts will uh, automatically send to a Autodesk drive. So thank you for watching our video. Do subscribe our channel Frozen Blend, and thank you for watching our video.